Do you like to make money through arbitrage trading? Okay, maybe naira to dollar arbitrage, maybe cedis to dollar arbitrage, or South African rand to dollar arbitrage, or it could be any other currencies within the African continent. All right. So if you are watching this video now, I like to believe that you like to make money from arbitrage, or you are looking for the latest arbitrage opportunity on the internet, or maybe you've heard about this platform called Afriq Arbitrage and you want to know more about it. Okay, so whatever the case is, just make sure that you watch this review from the beginning to the end. Okay, the question is like, is Afriq legitimate? Is it a scam? Okay, is it actually paying people? Okay, does it really make sense to use? Okay, a lot of questions are running through your mind, and I'm here, okay, to provide answer to every possible question that you may have. Okay, and if you have maybe any thoughts about this, you can let me know in the comment box. I like to engage you. I like to know more from you through the comment box, right? So this is Afriq Arbitrage System. It is called AAS. Limited Arbitrage Company is not a subsidiary of another arbitrage trading company. Similarly, no arbitrage trading platform is affiliated to AAS in any way. The business operation of AAS are strictly restricted to its official websites, afriqjmarbitrage.us and afriqjmarbitrage.com. Therefore, whoever invests in any platform imitating AAS or claiming association with AAS does so at their own risk. I'm going to close that now. Okay, that's just a normal disclaimer on the website. So here is the website for Afriq JM. Okay, here is the website for Afriq JM, and this is the website, just like a simple looking page. This is a video that you have to watch, telling you more about the arbitrage and how arbitrage works, the fund policy, frequently asked questions are here on the platform. All right. So if you go to the channel, I've really been doing reviews about arbitrage. I've even taught you guys how to leverage arbitrage opportunity on the cryptocurrency futures market, especially on Binance. Okay, I can make money from both ways. But today we're going to be looking at this platform. This is the white paper. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, this is white paper, and you can quickly go through it. As you can see right here, they have a certificate of fact of good standing. All right, issued by Secretary of State of the Colorado. Wow, 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 wow. Awesome, awesome. And this was issued, they were, on 7/7. 7/7 is the number. I think 7/7, okay, at this time in accordance with the applicable law. Okay, so and this is the white paper. As you can see, this is everything that you need to know about the white paper. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, just a simple looking page. A simple looking page, right? Okay, so if you want to contact these guys, how do you contact them? Let's have a look. Okay, so just relax, guys. Relax, relax, relax. We're gonna zoom in. We're gonna dive in and do the biggest review you've ever seen on the internet about this platform. All right. So you don't have a contact address. As you can see, these guys don't have a contact address. Like there is nowhere you can locate them. No physical address, as you can see. So if you really want to contact them, okay, you only have to send them a mail, okay. And if you're going to be using Google Map for direction, okay, they are in this area in the USA, okay. I bet you that this is not true, okay. 100% fact that this is not true, all right, because I kind of think that this platform is not a US based company in the real sense of it. All right. So they says that on Springfield Avenue, and they have a US phone number. Okay, anyone can use some of this app on Google Play Store to get a US phone number. That's not a big deal. All right. So and look at the mail. Hello at Packup. Packup. Okay. Why will it be Packup when the platform is about arbitrage? Afriq is not hello at afriqjm arbitrage.us,
and it's not it's not info at afriqarbitrage.com. You know, so these are things that you have to ask yourself, like, is this actually making sense? Okay, is this actually adding up? All right, and let's even see. No, nothing like live chat right here. Okay, no live chats. And let's have a look at their Twitter page, because this is about crypto, and crypto dwells a lot on Twitter. So this is their Twitter page. Right now they have over 7,000 followers, and they joined on July 2022 last year. Okay, that's over 7 months now ago since they joined. I think no, over 6 months right now. So you can see they have a couple of videos here, testimonies, their team, all of these things are here, right? So let's go to the website. I purposely created an account, okay? I purposely created an account so that you all can have, a look. So they had a voice chat on Twitter, and over 64,000 people tuned in on January 5th, and that lasted for over 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, viewed by over 15,000 people. Several messages, several comments, retweets, likes. So now they say that's, I think, is 100% completed, tested, so that now they've gone live. They've gone live. They are receiving payments now. So you can pay, and they send their location to the United States. Wow. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. I like that. I like that. So that gives them some level of credibility, but you still have to be extremely careful. Okay. Extremely careful. So this is the US State's office, and fully ready to start operation. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so this is internet, guys. You have to be extremely careful. Anyone can post a picture of your house. It could be, anything. Just be careful, guys. So let me now go to the website. Where is my account? I think I have an account here. Is it here or here? Yeah. So I create an account. The account is App Review. App Review, isn't it? App Review. Now this is the business that is domiciled in the US, but let's have a look at. Let's go to SimilarWeb. Okay, SimilarWeb. Okay, there was a time I actually had a review of MetaForce. So if you want to actually go through the review of MetaForce, go back to the channel. This is what is the review again for MetaForce? This is it. Okay, so you can go through that. Okay, so now real quick, I'm gonna go to the home tab of SimilarWeb. This is home tab of SimilarWeb. I will come back here. I'm gonna copy this, and I'll paste it here. Okay, and I'll search for this. So have a look at this website now. Total visit is 162,000 in the last 1 month. Okay, so this is total visit ever since the website has been existing, rather. So this is the global rank. Okay, they've really increased a lot. Like they moved extra 751,000%. That is cool. And country rank, this is country rank. Which country are these guys? Country rank, Netherlands. Okay, like this is it is saying this like a website from Netherlands. Okay, so where is the bulk of the traffic coming from? 41.18% of the traffic is coming from this United Arab Emirates, and trust me, Nigeria doesn't carry last when it comes to things like this. Okay, you can see Nigeria 20.5% and Moldova 60.86%, right? Now this is for what they have two domain names. One is .us, another one is .com. So let's have a look at their .com domain name. So I'll paste this here. Instead of using .us, I will change this to .com. This is the second domain name, and this is probably the most popular of the domain name, I think. Okay, so this is having over 153,000 visits. Where is the country that visits this one most? Venezuela, United States, Netherlands, then Nigeria. Okay, so it says they just launched. It's just a matter of time that the website visit will be, Nigeria will top this list of the countries who have visited this website most. All right. So let's go through ways and find out more about them. Okay, this is Waze. Let's have a look at their website on Waze and see what's up with them. So let's search this. Yeah, truly, it was registered on these dates. I know, and expires in 2029. Don't be deceived. When you see something like expires 2029, you kind of feel like, oh, this is going to be a platform that will last a very long time. Okay, so um, Michael Jassem is the name of the person that registered it. This is the address, you know, the phone number. As you can see, this is the phone number. Let's see if it's correlated with what we have on the website. Plus 1919, okay, 3361557, right? So let's have a look. It's still the same thing. So this is their email address. Okay, the country is US, as you can see. All right, is US. So they've actually tidied up all of these things. Okay, so this is my account right here. Where is it? I have an account, man. Where is my account? Okay, this is my account. I was supposed to make a deposit. Let's assume I want to make a deposit now. Okay, my deposits. Let's say I want to make an investment. Invest. I want to invest. The minimum investment here is $20 and the maximum is $1 million. Okay, frequency is daily. Percentage return is 1.65% per day. You know, return duration 1 day. Referral percentage is 5%. Okay, return capital no. So let me say I want to invest. I like to invest now. Awesome, awesome. So wallets. I like to invest like let me say 5,000. Yeah, I want to be a big investor. Okay, I don't like to be ordinary investor. I want to be a big investor. Oh, I have to make deposits. Really, deposits. Okay, let me select wallets. Yeah, I was 20, and I want to deposit 5,000. I'll click continue. Okay, all of these platforms they are built in a similar way. All right, in a similar way. So I'm going to copy this address now, and I'll go to Transcan. Transcan. Yeah. So this is Transcan, which is the block explorer for the Tron blockchain. So I'll paste this address here and I'll search. Yeah, there is absolutely nothing in this address, as you can see, because I've not made any deposits. Okay, I've not made any deposit whatsoever. Right. So, so what do we do since we are already here? You know, at this point, what they do is this: they kind of generate all kinds of address from one single addresses. Right, sorry, from one single address rather. Okay, that's the best. That will be the best. Okay. So internet transaction, no transfer, you know, contract published, okay, analysis. So they did it in such a way that there is no how you can actually trace the parent address. Okay. On some other platforms, you can actually generate an address on your account and use that address to trace, you know, the parent's address. So they can have an idea of the inflow and outflow of money across the platform. But right here, there is no how you can be able to, you know, to learn about that. Okay. There's no I can be able to learn about that, as you can see. So what we're going to be doing now is to go back to the website, to our account. We have an account on on their platform. Where is it again? Is it this? No, this is it. So let's have a look at the dashboard. An arbitrage platform that pays 1.65% per day. That is Ponzi. So the referrals, you know, withdrawals, all of these are here. This is the dashboard. Okay, the dashboard. So investments, earnings, No, there's no any yet. Of course, I've not really made any investment on the platform. Okay, so here is it, guys. When you say a platform like this, okay, that claims that they're going to be giving you 1.65% per day, okay, the question is, what are these guys investing into? These are the questions you have to ask yourself. 1.65 multiplied by 30, okay, that is almost 50% of the investment in one uh in 1 month, okay. So that's Ponzi. Like they are actually using other people's money to pay your own money. That's how their system is running. Okay, that's how their system is running. They're actually using other people's money to pay you. So, and if you go on YouTube, YouTube is quite funny. Okay, it's a place for everyone. Whether you are doing a legitimate business or you are doing uh, an illegitimate business. So you go through, you type in AAS AAS arbitrage, and you click this. You're gonna be seeing tons and tons of videos right here. Okay, okay. So like some of these guys, this is what they do. This is the founder, as you can see him here. This is Jesse Michael. This is the founder. So the way some of these platforms work is that they they go around and pay YouTubers. Okay, they send them a DM, they send them a mail that okay, if they're going to promote their platform, they could pay them some amount of money to promote their platform on their YouTube page. Okay, so I've received a lot of email from platforms like this in the last few years. Okay, but I always turn it down. Like, no, come on, guys, I'm not interested in this. Okay, so but this is you're going to be seeing a lot of sweet stories, a lot of testimonies of people who are investing into this platform, who are cashing out, who are buying car, who are buying new smartphones, who are buying new houses, okay? Because it is a Ponzi and it involves, a complex shady business, right? So all of this testimony should not really sway you off your money, should not really get you swindled, okay? Because this is how it's always end. We've had platforms like this in the past, which is called what's the name of this platform? There was one that was actually crazy. Like they had a lot of packaging, and after a while they went down completely. They went down completely. So, and this is always the excuse when they're about to go down. They're going to tell you that they experience and hack, and because of that hack, they can no longer offer the service that they are offering anymore. That is usually their excuse. All right, that is usually their excuse. Okay, so instead of investing your funds into platforms like this, why can't you learn about crypto trading and trade for yourself? All right, why can't you learn about how you can analyze charts, okay, and trade for yourself? That is way better than you know um chasing clouds, chasing shadows. Okay, because there is no arbitrage platform that will be paying you this amount of money, okay, every other day. Now, the question is, you guys may be asking question like, oh, it is possible. Let's have a look at coin market cap, okay, because these days the average opportunity is so slim, like extremely slim. Slim in the sense that if you look at exchanges, okay, let's have a look at Bitcoin now, for instance. Okay, let's have a look at Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Then let's count through all the markets available where people are trading Bitcoin. What can you see? The price is almost the same thing across all of these platforms. Okay, almost the same thing across all of these platforms. You can see. Can you see? Can you see? So where can you get where can you have that gap? Okay, where can you buy Bitcoin at 70,000 Binance and you go and see that 70,400 on maybe Coinbase? It's almost the same thing because they're using a robust oracle, a strong database, okay, that allows the price feed across exchanges to actually balance out. Okay, so it is extremely difficult. I'm not saying there's no arbitrage opportunity across the crypto market. There is, okay, but those that exist, the highest you can get in a month is about 4%. All right, it's about 4%. So I really love arbitrage. I've done arbitrage and I've made a couple of bucks by trading arbitrage. But to be honest with you guys, okay, to be honest with you guys, there is no platform, there is no arbitrage system, a true arbitrage software that is going to be giving you 1.65% return every day. It does not exist. Okay, it does not exist. So these guys, they really tried a lot, like all of the loopholes that will make you suspect that they are running a scam scheme, a Ponzi scheme. So they tightened all the loopholes. Okay, they tightened all the loopholes. And despite the fact that they tightened all the loopholes, an arbitrage platform should have something like this on their website. Okay, you should be able to be seeing the inflow and outflow. Okay, a true inflow and outflow, and you can trace it to you can trace the wallet address to the exchange through the dashboard. Okay, by going through the explorer. That is how the real arbitrage platforms work. Okay, that's how it works. Not as if someone would ask you to deposit money on exchange, then you should just be refreshing every day and you'll be seeing profits. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, it doesn't work like that. So you guys need to be extremely careful. Okay, uh, I'm not going to be investing into this. Okay, I'm not interested in this whatsoever. I'm not interested in a platform like this, and I want you to be extremely careful. Okay, don't invest your money into this platform. And if you are a lover of Ponzi scheme and you want to try this out, then you should be careful and only risk amount of money that doesn't actually make any sense to you. Okay, like a disposable income. Okay, so for that reason, I'm not even going to share the link to this platform in the description box. Okay, because um, in my own observation, okay, it looks like a Ponzi because when you see a platform, doing a lot of testimonial, people that are cashing out, it's one of the signs of Ponzi. Okay, and you should be careful about it. All right, you should be careful about it. So that's my review. That's my review about the AAS arbitrage platform. Okay, and I want you to be careful. Okay, so that you don't fall victim of another scam in the name of chasing arbitrage. Okay, because some of you are so, the arbitrage journey started when you when you buy dollar with cedis. Okay, and you're able to sell at higher price and you're making extra profits, or you buy dollar with naira and you're able to sell at higher price and you make extra profit. That is where it was at that point that you fell in love with arbitrage. Okay, arbitrage is sweet. Okay, when there's an opportunity. So it was at that point that you fell in love with arbitrage, and that love of arbitrage has blinded some people. Any Ponzi platform that is branded as an arbitrage platform, people jump on it. Okay, so people jump on it. I've actually made this mistake once before. Okay, and I'm not going to ever make this mistake again. And I'm going to ensure that people who are within the crypto niche community or outside crypto community that are interested in crypto, they don't fall victim of that scam anymore. Okay, it's a normal scam. It's a normal branding. Okay, it's a normal branding. So you guys should be careful, and make sure you know exactly what you're doing. Okay, make sure you know exactly what you're doing. The fact that they are issuing a disclaimer, the fact that they are issuing a disclaimer that they are not affiliated with any other platform, okay, it means that people are suspecting that it is the same team that scammed them some months ago that is actually running this. That's what people are suspecting. And that's why they quickly had to come out and make that disclaimer on their website. So be careful, guys. Okay, this is a new year. This is a year for knowledge, not a year for Ponzi. Okay, a real knowledge that's going to make you prosper. That is the knowledge that you should be getting. Okay, so that's what I'm going to say about this platform. I wish you a super fantastic day. Bye for now. Have a great day.